Welcome to Barbecuing with Mike. Today we are going to do bourbon barbecue pork ribs. Let's get right into the video. So step one will be removing the membrane from the back of our beautiful pork ribs. Step two, we are going to apply the rub to these beautiful pieces of meat. Alright, so step three to our bourbon barbecue ribs today is going to be putting them on the smoker. We're going to put them on the smoker at 225 degrees for about 2.5 hours. Alright, we'll see you in a few hours. Alright, so next we are going to make the sauce, put on the ribs, and then they will go in the back in the smoker for about an hour. So, we're making our ribs. We've got about an hour left. It's time for a cocktail. Go to our rocks glass over a nice big ice cube. And if you have an orange, you can garnish it with an orange. Cheers.